I work maybe 4 hours a day. So, nandito lang ako sa bahay, nag-work. Hawak ko yung sarili kong time. Ako yung nag-schedule kung ano yung gagawin ko for the entire day. And to tell you this, I don't have a design degree. I don't have an IT degree or wala akong tech background. But I am a funnel designer. And for today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do and why this might be the online career you've been looking for. Hi, this is your Ate Bebs and I help Filipinos work smarter, not harder, so they can earn online, work from home, and build the life they actually love. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through kung ano yung actually na ginagawa ko as a funnel designer, like how much I earn and whether or not this is something that you can do too. Okay, first, let's talk about ano ba yung funnel. Because I know some of you hear the word funnel na parang ang technical naman, na parang kailangan mo maging expert to understand it. Pero hindi. Kasi super simple lang niya actually. Let me break it down for you. Imagine someone scrolling through Facebook, nakakita siya ng ad, maybe an online course or fitness program, let's say. Then he clicks on it. Then he lands on a page. That page says, oh, this is what we offer, ito yung kailangan mo, this is what happened, ito yung makukuha mo. Then, that person clicks it and buy it. So, that journey from the ad to the page to the purchase, that's a funnel. And that page he landed on, yun yung ginagawa ko. Well, it's not a full website. Hindi kailangan na maraming pages. Most of the time, one page lang. Maybe 2 or 3, but one page, it has one job, and that is to convert that stranger into a paying customer. And when it does that job well, malaki yung value na nabibigay nun sa business. Kaya naman malaki rin yung bayad sa akin as a funnel designer, kasi yun yung ginagawa ko. So, what does my actual day-to-day work look like? Kasi, sa tingin ko, a lot of people think that it's super complicated. Like, you need to code. You need to know how to code. You need to know graphic design. Na kailangan expert ka. You need to understand complex marketing strategy. Well, hindi siya ganun. Here's what actually happens. So, a client comes to me, maybe isa siyang coach or course creator or isang local business owner who's trying to go online. Tapos meron siyang offer. It's either a product or service that they want to sell. So, my job is to build the pages that sell it for them. That means ako yung magde-design ng entire roadmap, like the layout, the structure, yung colors, yung fonts, yung placements ng mga buttons, lahat ng visual side. Ako yung bahala. And yung ginagamit ko na tools, drag and drop lang. I don't write a single line of code. Seriously. Kung kaya mo mag-Canva, kaya mo rin matutong mag-funnel design. Now, ano ba yung mga ginagawa kong funnels for my clients? Ano yung mga binibuild ko for them? Well, sometimes it's a lead generation funnel para kapag kailangan nila ng mag-generate ng email list nila or new subscribers. Merong sales funnels para makabenta sila ng offer nila. Merong webinar funnels, merong challenge funnels, merong product funnels, at marami pang ibang types dyan ng funnels. But the core skill I use, same lang. I design pages that guide people toward a decision to take action. Okay, so let's talk about the part everyone wants to know. Magkano ba talaga ang kinikita ng isang funnel designer? Let me share my own journey because I want to give you realistic answer. When I was just starting out and building my portfolio, I charged around 300 to 500 USD per funnel. And in peso, that's roughly around 17 to 28,000 per funnel. So, hindi na masama for a beginner. And as my portfolio grew, as I got more experience, clients started to see results from my work. That's the time I raised my rates, like 1,000 per funnel, $2,000 per funnel, and eventually 3,500 per funnel. Yun na yung rate ko per project. Now, let's do the math. If I built 2 funnels in a month, at $1,000 each. That's $2,000. And roughly, nasa 100K na siya. Tapos, nandito lang ako sa bahay, kasama ko pa yung family ko, di ba? And nung first month ko as a funnel designer, kumita ko like 50,000 pesos, which is, hindi ko siya na-achieve nung VA days ko. And in my fourth month, almost 500K na lahat-lahat. Yun yung income potential ng career na to, and that's why I keep teaching aspiring freelancers, Filipino freelancers, to become a funnel designer kasi kaya din nila tong gawin. So now, here's the question that I know some of you are already asking, like, kaya ko ba to? Wala kasi akong background sa design, wala akong degree sa marketing, hindi ako techie. Okay, so full disclosure, I actually have a degree. I'm a business management marketing graduate. Yes. And you know what? Hindi ko siya nagamit sa pagiging funnel designer ko. Yung funnel design skills ko, hindi siya nanggaling sa college. Hindi rin siya nanggaling sa any formal training. When I started, hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung funnel. I only found out about funnel dun sa client ko na nag-ask sa akin to build one. And instead of saying no, kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam kung paano, nag-yes ako kasi 'di ba kapag VA, well, I know bida-bida tayo 'di ba? So kapag first time natin na gagawin for a client, we say yes. Well, eventually, doon din naman talaga tayo matututo doon sa mga experiences natin. So, I figured it out along the way kung paano mag-build ng funnels, paano mag-design. The way I actually learned it is I started with the templates, nanood ako ng tutorial sa YouTube, and then I developed my own way of learning while I look for landing pages na talagang nag-work na, and then pinag-aralan ko siya, I reverse engineer them kung bakit ganun siya binild. And that exact method, yun yung tinuturo ko inside my course. So, the point is, I figured it out on my own through practice. So, whether you have a degree or wala, honestly, hindi siya magiging deciding factor. What matter is yung willingness mo to learn and willingness to start. So, within a month, nakakuha ko ng client. Within 4 months, completely nabago yung buhay namin. So, the question is not what's on your resume. The question is, willing ka ba mag-learn? Willing ka ba mag-practice? Willing ka ba to start? Even when hindi ka pa perfect. Kasi, if the answer is yes, well, this path is open for you. May degree ka man or wala, ganun lang kasimple. So, here's something I want you to understand. Kasi ang daming nagtatanong lagi sa akin kung saturated na ba yung funnel designers. Well, the demand for funnel designers is not going down. Dumadami pa nga sila. It's because maraming business owners yung nagre-run ng ads. And they need funnels for that. Yung mga coaches na nagbebenta ng course, kailangan nila ng funnels. Yung brands na nagbibuild ng kanilang online presence, kailangan din nila ng funnels. And not all of them know how to build one. Actually, most of them, they are expert in their own field. But the technical side and the setting up the pages, the design, and others, hindi nila expertise yun. That's where I come in. And that's where you can come in too. Diba? So, I've worked with clients around the world, and the opportunities are still there even for newbies. Kaya, if you're thinking na saturated na tong industry na to, then you're wrong. Because yung mga business owners abroad are actively looking for Filipino funnel designers because we are known for, being hardworking, communicative, and high quality pagdating sa work, 'di ba? So, if you've been wondering, is there still room for me in this industry? Then the answer is yes. Lalo na ngayon, the earlier you start building your portfolio, your reputation, the better your position will be. So, the window is open. Tanungin mo lang yung sarili mo kung papasukin mo ba tong industry na to. So, now you know what I do as a funnel designer, kung magkano yung kinikita ko, and why I truly believe that this is one of the most accessible, high-income skill you can learn right now. So, in my next video, I'm going to share exactly how I got my very first client, libre lang, walang paid platform, walang existing network, just one move that changed everything. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. But for now, if this video opened your eyes to something new, like if this made you think na pwede pala sa akin to, then I want to know. Comment down, funnel designer ako, because maybe right now hindi pa, but saying it, that's how it starts. Kasi the identity comes before the skill. Decide who you are becoming, then build toward it. And if you're not subscribed yet, mag-subscribe ka na, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button below para maging updated ka sa mga upcoming videos ko. So, thank you for watching. Until next time, let's build something together.